Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Huawei watch fit. First, you will want to unbox your new watch and immediately place it onto its magnetic charging cradle. While it charges, download the Huawei Health application on your smartphone if you have not already. Once the watch has some power, open the app, tap Devices, and select Add Device to pair your watch. The pairing process is straightforward, taking only a minute or two to complete. Your watch typically charges to full in about 60 minutes, giving you roughly 10 days of normal usage. Navigating your Huawei watch fit is intuitive and simple. Swipe down from the top of the watch face to reveal quick settings like the alarm, flashlight, or do not disturb mode. Swiping up from the bottom will show you all your recent notifications from your connected phone. To see your daily activity, heart rate, or weather, just swipe left or right across the main screen. A quick press of the side button brings up your complete list of applications, ready for you to explore. Your Huawei watch fit is an excellent companion for health and fitness. You can easily view your activity records, showing daily steps, distance covered, and estimated calories burned. To start a workout, simply press the side button, find workout, and choose from over 100 modes, including outdoor run or pool swim. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing data throughout your day and during exercise. It also offers comprehensive sleep tracking, giving you insights into your sleep quality each night. Beyond fitness, your watch offers many smart features to simplify your day. You will receive immediate notifications for incoming calls, text messages, and app alerts right on your wrist, allowing you to stay connected effortlessly. Control your smartphone's music playback, adjusting volume or skipping tracks without ever pulling out your phone. It even includes a remote camera shutter, perfect for group photos. And if you misplace your phone, the Find Phone feature will make it ring loudly for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.